And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a jelly pump text effect. We need a text, obviously, so let us use the type tool. You can use any font. I'll just use a simple one, Cambria. I've got a bold style for it. I'll size it up holding Shift and Control, and I'll press Ctrl D to copy it. The copy at the bottom is selected, filters, bumps, and there's a jelly bump. It's a one-click effect. If you want to adjust it, you can move it around and it will reposition the filter. You can also use the fill color to achieve that effect. So we've used black as a basic, and if you go down in shades of gray, down to white, you can see how this filter moves around in the text. You can also use different base colors and their shades. What you can also do is to press Ctrl D to position layers on top of one another. And you can use the sharpen more on the filters and image effects. It makes it a little bit darker. If you want to change the color, place it on top. Then go to Object, Fill and Stroke. Use a different blend mode, maybe multiply, and then change the fill color. You can also play around with the opacity. For example, here the green is way too strong, so I'll go down with the opacity and adjust it. And you can also try different blending modes, maybe screen. So you can't adjust the color directly, but you can use that method. When you export it, make sure that you press Ctrl A. So if I just use the marquee here, I've got only the one on top selected, but when I press Ctrl A, both are selected. I can then group it, Ctrl G, and now if I export it, both are selected. So the jelly bump text effect and the one that's layered on top with the different blending mode. And this I can create this jelly bump in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.